can actually start with 500 naira. Yeah, 500 naira. Do you have a good generator and a refrigerator? Then this video is for you, because I'm going to share with you 5 great business ideas that you can start from the comfort of your home and make good money. I mean good money. You are going to make very high profit because the businesses are lucrative. Some of them I have tested, some of them I have seen persons who are into this business. I have interviewed them and find out that they are actually making a lot of money. Having said that, let's go straight to the business. Now, if you have a refrigerator and a good generator, these are 5 businesses that you can actually start from the comfort of your home. Number 1 is frozen chicken. Beautiful, easy. You know, almost everyone loves chicken. And so check your area. If there are no cold rooms, that, you know, those big cold rooms that sell chicken or frozen fish and other frozen meats around, then it's a great opportunity, because when you solve problem, business is all about solving problem, and by solving that problem you make money. So if in that area there's nobody that is selling, or the demand is higher than the supply, beloved, it's a business opportunity that you should step in. Now, the cost of starting this business is very low. You can actually start with 50,000 naira. The secret of this business, you should not just buy the full one. Buy different parts. Buy the legs, buy the wings, buy the laps, buy the full one. Buy all parts, you know. And then those that do not have money to buy the legs, to buy the laps, we buy the legs, we buy the wings and go. Some of them we buy the neck. There are those that will buy the gizzard. So you need to buy different parts. Now, if you check around and also meat is scarce in your area, brother, go to the slaughter, visit the slaughter and buy meat. Come and freeze it and slice little pieces and sell. Those that need meat for 1,000 naira, you cut it and weigh, sell it to them. Those that need meat for 5,000 naira, you can sell. That when people know that if they come to your house, they will have their fish, they will have their meat, they will have whatever they need to use. You know, anything meat and fish problem had been solved. If they visit you, you start making money from the comfort of your home. The second business I'm going to share with you, the second idea that is so easy and also not capital intensive, is cold drinks like pure water, bottled water, Coke, no Fanta, minerals and soft drinks. The power supply in Nigeria is epileptic, it's not stable. And so almost every 2 days, 3 days, there will be no light. And so you can, when there is no light, everybody will move to your direction, will move to your shop, will move to your home, move to your house to buy cold drink, cold water. And you make profit. Now, if you are living close to a school, then you can make use of your generator and the refrigerator. Very easy to make money with, because you start selling ice cream. Now, the internet has given us opportunity, a great opportunity that you can learn anything. If you don't know how to, to make ice cream, comment below. I will teach you, create a video on how to make very good ice cream that, it's not homemade. We are talking about money. And so how will you make ice cream that will be good and also give you money, give you result, give you profit? Not just making, quality, so good and rich ice cream, and then when you measure it, nothing comes out. We are talking about making quality ice cream and at the same time profitable. So if you don't know how to make it, comment below and I will teach you that. You can also go online, watch other videos concerning ice cream production. It's a very good and valuable opportunity for you. You can make money from this business. This is one lucrative business because the raw materials are always available. They are always there. You can turn your flour, one recipe, one flavor, 4 items. 4 items, you have good ice cream that will be better than those ones you always buy on the street, or by those that hop with bicycle, and then you buy with those that hum pokum. No, don't buy that one. That one, before you leak halfway, you find out that what you're actually leaking is water and no longer ice cream, because all the flavors and aroma has gone. Everything about ice cream has gone out. Why? Because they failed to add what is called emulsifier. It binds every ingredient together till the last drop. That's the secret. So if you want to learn more on ice cream making from the food scientist, then Comment below. I will teach you the best. I will give you the best for free. No, it's our culture to always teach in this channel free of charge, give you the best information. So this is one very good business that you can step in from the comfort of your home and make good money. Now, do you know that people have been producing their own juice and sell at home and make good money? You just get one big watermelon, slice it, use a blender, or if you don't, because if you don't have a fruit extractor, juice extractor rather, if you don't have a juice extractor, all you need to do is get big watermelon, open your blender, scoop everything, put there and blend, filter it, and your juice is ready. And then you add one or two things to increase the volume and the taste and maintain still good quality. Because the secret here is that when you produce your watermelon juice, it will not give you enough volume for you to make profit. And so what are you going to do? There are one or two things you need to add that the taste will not change, yet the volume will increase. That is the secret, bro. That is the secret, my friend. So if you want to produce your own drink, that is why the people, those that started producing Zobo, how do you think they started? It's business, they thought of it, they started producing, and then one or two persons imitated one. Before you know, it's now a national drink, and it's getting more expensive every day. Now, so must we all sell Zobo? When you can turn corn to milk and sell, when you can turn cassava to milk and sell, when you can turn everything around us can be turned to a beverage, and you sell and make money from the comfort of your zone. What I'm telling you, you don't need machines. Just if you have a blender, if you have a filtering system, which means you can actually use a very good cotton and filter your drink very well and sell, because the fruit juice you buy is not sparkling, it's not clear, it's cloudy. So why do you think that your drink must be sparkling? No, there are drinks that are naturally cloudy. So you don't need to think that you must produce something that is sparkling. No, get the cloudy juice, and that way you can defend that it's raw, it's natural, it's this, it's that, and people will believe you and buy. So this is one beautiful business. It's not everybody's. Nigeria, when somebody start frying yam by the side, before the next neighbor is frying yam. No, there are a lot of things we can fry. You can fry cocoyam, you can fry this, you can fry that, you can fry a lot of things and sell. So don't just do the conventional thing. If you want to manufacture, to produce your own drink, comment below and I will teach you, apart from the ones I've created, because I've created a video on how you can actually produce palm wine from your home, not the one tapped from the palm tree. You mix two things, only two things, and you have your palm wine at home. The one you buy on the street when you are traveling, it's not palm wine, it's the one we make at home. You can easily do it. That is why I decided to create the video, so that my followers will learn. Also, I created a video on how you can use ginger to produce beer. So these are things that you learn free of charge from this channel. Just subscribe and comment. Tell me the one you want to produce. That is what I studied for 5 years in the university. So I can easily tell you. I can send it to you through WhatsApp. I can show you through WhatsApp. Whatever means you want, I'll give it to you. So just step into one of these businesses and make good money. Make use of your fridge. Stop using your fridge for just water. You put on the generator, and then everything will burn. Your fuel will burn, and then you find it difficult to fuel your generator again the next day, because it's just like expense. You're wasting money and nothing is coming in. No, when you put on the gen, something should buy that fuel for the next day. That alone can put a smile on your face. That alone can give your family some comfort. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe. Click on that notification bell for more videos, for more awesome videos. You can also recommend this channel to your friends, so that you will also learn business ideas and how to turn the things around you to be business. See you in our next video. Bye bye.